So in this video I'm going to show you how to add music to Instagram story 2020. So let's begin. So first of all, what you need to do is open your Instagram, okay, then go to your story, and for the example I am just going to type a text, okay. So you can add a photo also, you can just use music in your photos also, that's according to your wish, but for the example I'm just taking this. So now what you need to do is just click on this emoji button, okay, just click on it, and now you can see here music, okay, just click on it, and now this will take you to a new page and here you can find so many music which you want to use in your story. So for an example I am just searching a music on here, okay. So I have searched this music, and if you want to listen the music you can just listen the whole music from here, and you can just choose it, and I will click on that music, and now it's loading. And now as you can see you will have lyrics, you can show the lyrics to the people in your story if you want, okay. There are different styles of showing lyrics, just you can just explore it, okay. So there are different types, and if you just choose on this you can show your people that which song you have shown this story or which song you have used in the story, and you can just change whichever part you like in the music, okay. You can just choose that. So for the example I am choosing this, and you can change this also, okay, color of the music, okay, by clicking here. So that's pretty much it. After doing that I will just select this, and yeah, I will done. Now you can just place it wherever you want, and I will just put this here, okay, on the top. Now what you need to do is just click on your story, and that's how you upload a story and using a music. So let me show you how it is seen after the story is uploaded, okay. So as you can see now this is my story, okay. For copyright issues, so that's why I'm not turning on the volume, okay. So you can just use this trick, and you can apply music in your story. So that's it for the video. If this video helped you out, then let me know in the comments, and please give a like, and if you're new to this channel make sure you subscribe and press the bell icon, and I really appreciate that.